There's a simple trick you can use to increase your WhatsApp status views to get more sales and make more money. If you follow me to the end of this video, I'll show you this simple trick. Now let's get started. So first of all, you are going to open your WhatsApp. So I'm opening my WhatsApp. But mind you, before you use this technique, you will need to update your WhatsApp. So if you have not updated your WhatsApp, you quickly go to Play Store or App Store and then you update your WhatsApp. So after updating your WhatsApp, then you click on your status. You click on your status. After clicking on your status, then you go to add new status. You go to add new status. Then you choose the video or the picture you want people to see on your status. Maybe you are advertising something, you want so many people to see it on your status. Yeah, it's a simple trick. So this is a picture I've chosen, my mini importation masterclass. If you want to learn mini importation, I'll leave a link at the end of this video so that you can click on the link to learn this mini importation from China. Yeah, so maybe if you are selling shoes, if you are selling clothes, anything you are selling, and then you want so many people to see it on your status, that is, you want to boost your status, then I'm going to write DM to learn if interested. Now this is the trick I'm going to show you to boost your status views. But before that, I want you to like this video, share this video to others for them to benefit. You can also leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know how you feel about this video. So this is the technique, this is the trick I'm going to show you. So you see this art, you see this art, you click on the art, you click on the art. Now you are going to search for a group, or you are going to search for groups that are on your phone, I mean WhatsApp groups. Then you click on those WhatsApp groups, then it will mention or tag that groups so that all those who are in that group will get to see, and then when they click, it will take them to your status. So I'm going to search for a group. So I have these groups I want to tag or mention. I will mention this group, this group, this group to this group as well. So you can mention up to 5 groups. Yeah, 5 groups, that is the limit. So when you click on done, all those people in that group will get to see what you have posted. So when you are done, then you click on done. Immediately you click on done, the number of groups you have selected will be there. Then you click here, you click on send. So after clicking on send, you will see it is loading on my status. It is loading on my status, and these are the groups I mentioned. So you see everybody in that group. So in this group, 25 people are there. This group I mentioned, about 99 people are in that group. So anybody who sees it and then click on the link, it will redirect the person to your status for them to see what you have posted, if they are interested, and then they can buy from you. I want you to like this video to show me some love. You can also leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know how you feel about this video. Don't forget to share this video to friends and family for them to benefit as well.